How to backup a Chrome bookmark. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can save your bookmark, how you can import or export bookmark from your Chrome browser. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open first my Chrome browser. So guys, this is my Chrome browser. So let me change the themes. I don't want themes. So okay, so it's by default theme, so it will be better understand to you. Okay, so how you can change save your bookmark or backup your bookmark from your Chrome browser. So first what you need to do, go to the bookmark and just click on this three dot option, go to the bookmark and go to the bookmark manager. Here you can see your all folder. If you create folder, yeah, you can see the folder under the bookmark or under the other bookmarks. These two folders is default folder, and you can create the subfolder. If you have folder, then just check, and what you need to do, just select the folder which you want to import export, you want to backup. Just select the folder, click on this three dot option and go to the export bookmark, and here you can export bookmark under your PC in the HTML documents and save it. And if you want to import to the another computer or another browser, just come again here and just click on three dot and go to the import documents and select that documents and just import it. It will be import here. Okay, or you can go to the import bookmark settings. Okay, so this is import bookmark settings. Okay, so that is how you can import export the bookmark. I'll show you. You can just follow the first steps. Click on three dot option, go to the bookmarks, go to the bookmarks manager, and from here you can import. You need to just export bookmark, and you have to save the bookmark on PC. And if you want to import again into the new PC, come to same place and come here and just import from your computer. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.